Welcome everyone for this special course on MLOps for DevOps engineer. Now, I want to start this video by giving you a challenge. It's a one-day challenge. Now, what is this challenge is all about? This challenge is consisting of just simple three steps. So, complete this course, MLOps for DevOps engineer, and it is recommended to complete it in one sitting. So, it will require maximum 1 to 2 hours to complete this overall course of MLOps for DevOps engineer. The intention is I want to give you a clear idea as what is MLOps and how is it related to the DevOps engineer and why is the need of the hour right now. If you do it in one sitting, you're also going to receive the certificate and a special voucher, which we'll talk about it by the end of this one-day challenge. Now, why is this a challenge? Well, the reason that I've created as a challenge because most of the learners who enrolls in their learning journey, they will drift away after completing 2 minutes or 3 minutes of the video. They'll think that they know everything. But I don't want you to be that person. If you're someone who's going to leave away the challenge, I recommend you to stop the video and go to next video or next other video that you want to see. This video is specially there for the people who are committed in their learning journey. And if you're someone who are with me till now, it proves that you're committed in your learning journey. Okay, now before I talk about what exactly is this course, let me share you the details as why am I doing this and what is the mission, what is the vision of doing this. See, I'm on a mission to build the world's largest community of AI leaders. Now, the problem that I'm trying to solve right now is the current education system is not equipped to create the leaders for future. Now, we as a community, we want this manifold AI learning community to become the world's largest community of AI leaders. And that's our vision. And we want to empower the next generation to lead the future through innovative education. Now, with this vision in mind, we have designed this one-day challenge for you. Now, what are we covering in this one-day challenge? Well, in this one-day challenge, it's pretty simple and no beating around the bush. It will be on point and you'll get a clear idea as what exactly is this MLOps is all about. So you will understand the machine learning project structure. Just like understanding the foundations is important, the first thing that you will be learning in this one-day challenge is what exactly is this machine learning project structure. You will understand what is machine learning, how does this structure of this machine learning project would look like. Then I'll show you as how does an MLOps project would look like. We'll understand why DevOps cannot be applied straight away to the machine learning projects. And I'll also talk about the tools and the components of an MLOps pipeline or a MLOps workflow. These are the key areas that we'll be focusing on this MLOps for DevOps engineers. Now, before you begin your learning journey, I want to share the code of honor of our manifold AI learning community. Now, this is very important for whoever is entering our community. This is a sacred place where the future leaders of AI will be born. And I want each of you to be aligned with this community and each of you to honor this code of honor. The first code of honor is integrity and honesty. Always act with integrity and uphold the highest standards of honesty. Second, rapid action implementation. We at Manifold AI Learning Community believes in applying the knowledge, not just getting the theory high. We are focused on implementing whatever that we are learning in our own project. It can be our community project or it can be on the project that we are working as an employees. We believe in rapid action taking and we always strive for innovation and excellence in everything we do. And more importantly, as a community, we support others and share knowledge generously and actively engage and contribute positively to the community with the knowledge that we are gaining together. Now, this is the five important code of honor of this manifold AI learning community. I would invite you to be part of our community only if you're in alignment with this five code of honor, because this is a sacred place for us where we are innovating together, where we are learning together and becoming their best. And I want you to be part of us only if you're in alignment with these five code of honor. Excellent. So if you're with me till here, which means that we are in alignment, and you you are going to follow the code of honor that we have set at Manifold AI Learning Community, and I'm going to invite you for my community of this Manifold AI Learning. Now, what should be your focus right now going forward? The focus is very simple. Just follow the videos, complete it till the end. Do not skip the video because we are going to track the analytics from the back end and complete all the videos 100%. Now, I want to share some of the important links. You're going to see the link over here in the comment section to access the course. We're also going to make some videos available in our YouTube and LinkedIn. But importantly, to get the certificate, you have to watch it in our platform so that the certificate can be generated. Okay. And more importantly, guys, I want you to have fun. So thanks again for watching. So I'll see you on our community portal, and you can also check out the videos as well. And it was wonderful to interact with you guys. And more importantly, I'm excited for your development. I'm excited to what you're going to bring in for our community. So thank you again for trusting us and trusting me in this learning process. I'll be there for you as a mentor in your learning journey. So let's get started from the next video.